Dang, okay. So as you, give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so we got, shoot. Yo, so, alright, recap. So, we had perfect weekly power of 3 today. We had, as you see, manipulation on Tuesday, distribution lower through Wednesday and Thursday, and if you guys remember what I said, yesterday for, there's no discount for prop firms yet. But if you guys remember what I wanted to see yesterday, I wanted to see higher as a retracement for a power of 3. So that's what we got after running out this low. We didn't really run out anything significant back here. Kind of internal lows after running this out. So on the day, I was going to be bullish, or I am bullish on the day. So let's zoom in. Look what happens straight off of open. Let's do this. Alright. So this low is intact. I wasn't really watching SMTs. ICT, just go look at ICT as YouTube, the 2022 mentorship, best place to start off. So being bullish, I wouldn't want to look for shorts. I would be considering this 3 drives up here to be a Judas, Judas swing lower. We never ran out this low, so this low, I mean, bang, 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 bang. Second short, I don't know any backtesting. The only backtesting thing I know is FX replay. But right here, we have kind of a failure swing right here. I checked, I don't think we had SMT, and when I was just considering this to be a Judas swing after the 3 drives of the highs, push lower, we never ran out this low. So we start displacing up higher, and I wanted to see us go higher than we initially did, but I did get one play, which I'll go over that real quick. We got one trade inside of macro, which I'm only trading inside of macros now. But it was a high probability order block, which that comes from, I was talking to Aspect, one of my friends, about this. I wanted to signal him, so I was just showing him what to do, telling him what to do. Yeah, I just use a macro indicator. It's literally just 950, 1050, 1150, 1250, 150. It's just all of that. I just do it for visualization so people can learn easier. So bang, we never reach consequent encroachment of this BC right here, which leads this to be a high probability order block, or just a different way to trade order blocks. This is one that I like more. I call it high probability, so we retraced into it. We were pushing up higher. I said this is going to be the place you want to leave your limit at. Your stop loss is going to be around this low because it also matches up with consequent encroachment. And our high, my target was just 55 handles away. I didn't really have much logic behind it because I knew we were going to be going higher for the day. Oh, it was up here. But yeah, this high right here was just my initial target. I wanted to be conservative, take my profits, and be done. So what I made a mistake on today, I feel bad. I feel like it's more of a personal error rather than an error in my trading. After this one win on this long right here, I was really distracted at school, and I left school early today because of senior skip day. But we have this retrace into discount, so bang lower, we have this high above us, but when we retrace into the discount and we start reacting off of it, we run up this low, we run this internal low here, we run into this, someone calling me, it's just a high probability. Okay, I'm gonna draw this out too, because this is another high probability inversion that we had for future reference, but yeah, that obviously failed. Oh shoot, yeah, bang lower, yeah, this is a high probability inverse. I would have wanted to see it tap in here, but we never did. So my second trade was off this inversion, which my mechanical model that I've been working on, it's really simple. Inside of the macro, I wanted to short this because we were below it, but I was completely unaware I didn't have a premium or discount or equilibrium marked out. So that's first error done by me. That's my bad. And the second thing I should have done better, we opened the macro right here. So my obvious trade should have been longs when we tap back into this. So we open the macro, we retrace into this inversion, we ran out this low, it should have been longs. But I was too distracted in class. I just got a play out for not really any reason other than for fun, because I knew I'd come back on it, recap on it, data collected. But this is the first thing if you want to do the mechanical model. But the logical trade that we have, we ran up this low, we tap into 0.5, we retrace into premium. We're already expecting higher to run up this high at the very least. We have this breaker inside of the macro. So, bang lower, bang, retrace. I mean, you could have gone long here, but when we push up higher right here, retrace, this was a perfect opportunity for an entry. It was right around here where I realized it. I was like, shoot, we retraced into a discount. Now we're going to be running up higher to run up this high. This is where we should have longed. That's my fault. So we kind of missed out on that, which it doesn't really bother me because today I wasn't going to make any money trading eval or anything today. It was just a day strictly for tape reading, learning, and just building good habits. Overall, what you always have to do every day as a trader. But I mean, after this, I hopped off the charts. I left school, I went to go eat, and it looks like we did sell off a little bit further. This is horrible price action. But that's all I have for today. I'm not really going to do a weekly review this week. I'm going to back this maybe this weekend just to keep myself sharp. But I do not want to trade this week. It is going to be U.S. elections. That's horrible. Monday. No, it's Tuesday. When's the election? It's going to be Tuesday or something. Past, I thought it was going to be delayed, but I want to see what happens with the election. Once the election's over, though, we are going to go nuts. So just be ready for that. We're going to go all out. Okay, anyways. Do we have any questions right now for today? We're eating if Trump wins. I really hope he does. My crypto, too. Imagine what it's going to do for crypto. Holy moly. We could see all-time highs. Kinda. There's more parts to market maker models, though. 2022 is just a smart money reversal. Yes. Yeah, I remember. Series has been harassing me about this, but look at his trades. Very beautiful trades. I told him, I don't know what it was, he wanted to join Black Sheep, and I told him to go trade the Silver Bullet. And he has to diamond ball it, so now he has to hold big numbers, otherwise he's gonna be dead. So I don't know what to go over. Yeah, it's just Silver Bullet, you enter on the fair value gap. That's British pound. Crypto is gonna go nuclear. Okay, any other questions? Black Sheep. It's just the role I have for teaching people. Wuzu's a black sheep. Wuzu, did you trade today? I want to see your journal.
Nah, no trade. Just take them today.
Okay, that's good. Do you have your journal?
Yeah, I got you.
Send it over. I need to see your journal. Alright, let's do this. It's literally in the upgrade section. It's like 20 a month. I go over your journal. I one-on-one you. You get all the resources, everything. Okay, let's go over his journal. So, NQ, what is this? You're expecting bullish. We want to retrace after distribution. Okay, that's good. You already learned, or you're looking after weekly power 3. Did you do yesterday's homework?
Oh, wait, what was it again?
Oh, just to look for weekly power of 3.
Oh no, I was planning on doing that over the weekend.
Okay, it's fine. We have time on the weekend. We'll back test on the weekend. Nice reaction up. Busy. I'm glad you're expecting bullish. Pushing up higher. Mitigation block. The mitigation block, this isn't really one, but you could call this more, if it was a mitigation block, you'd only use the wick. Let's see, what else here? This is insisting. Let's see, price reaction to premium some point of the day. Yeah, I did, but I wasn't really expecting it. One thing I want to talk about is price action on Friday. We can't really expect large objectives. Of course, you can see from this swing high to this swing low, we did retrace into premium, but from all of this, we did not. Even though our targets were so clean up here, it was just the end of the day. We were so, I'll go over used to, Siri, but all this was just price action trying to push out its last orders. So let's get back onto this. Strong. Yeah, okay. So discount might not be as strong. Yeah, that's right. It's on discount. I don't even think we reached it. Okay, we ran low. Still looks like a bunch of accumulation. Breaker block. I would use this wick right here as the breaker. Right here, SM2TS. Oh, that makes this a high probability breaker. That's cool. You could have gotten an entry off of this. Did you realize that? I'll go over that soon. But 15-minute breaker block.
Oh yeah, but I just decided to not do anything at all today.
I'm very glad you did. Actually, yeah, that's what I told you to do. I don't want you looking for a trade. I'm just trying to mention it. But yeah. Engagement block, make a retrace lower, going higher. You have SMT at the lowest breaker. Retrace bodies of the breaker that would have tagged it. Pushing up higher. You had their standard deviations marked out from. What was it? Did you mark out standard deviations from? Oh, I see where you marked it.
I did. It was from I went green wick, but for the breaker, from the bottom candle to the top.
We'll go over that too, but 50 minute breaker block, we're expecting to retrace lower, eventually go higher. Okay. This 10, 15 minute call. I'm trying to read over this and understanding it because right now it's just bullish. So retrace here. Okay. We predicted the retrace pretty well. 950, 1010. Okay, you're mainly stuck on the higher time frame today. That's good though. Yeah. Bang. Order
Yeah, I
block.
was.
And what was it? Were you also looking at the retracement to premium discount of this range from this low and this high?
Nah, I wasn't paying attention to
Okay.
that.
That's something you got to go over too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll get into it. Order block expecting higher into 2.5. It's just the expectations I think you should work on, especially for the Friday. I would have annotated that, but
Yeah.
my headache is limiting me. The 1 minute retrace into order block as predicted before. The order block could have been extra. Yeah, stop hitting the gas. Don't do that. TGR quit before he became profitable. Okay. Just stop for a bit and see if it saves you. If it doesn't, then get back on it. I was able to predict BA. Oh, SMT high with ES. Okay. This is what I like. I like to see you gaining confidence with price. And ES must see a reversal here. Bang. Call it the reversal properly too. Pushing lower into discount plus for value gap. Close at 2.5. Slightly tapping, but if not, it's accurate up until that point. Be proud of your accuracy. You've been doing good. Then the rest of the day was just, it was kind of bad for the rest of the day, but more
Yeah, at
accumulation.
that point I just hopped off.
Yeah, at this point I'm lower confidence, so I'm done for the day. This is what I like. Your psychology is getting, I'm glad you're shaping your psychology to be in the right place, hopping up when you're not confident anymore. Everything is looking good. You're improving a ton. That's good. Okay. Yeah, be happy with your analysis. Everything you did was actually extremely proper. I'm very proud of that. Was this standard deviation? Oh shoot, did we take second? We usually, if we have SMT inside of it, that's like a high probability of reversal too. I didn't even realize that. But let me go mark on my standard deviations because yours look a little bit wonky, especially because we didn't really, because we didn't really
Yeah,
run
yeah.
any lows. Because if we ran up this low, it would be standard deviation from this low up to this high right here, but we didn't really manipulate. It would be this low to this high. Let's see real quick.
I was like watching the advanced breaker video, I
Uh huh.
think. I don't
Oh,
recall, but I think he marked it from like the breaker or like the up candle when it's like a bullish breaker. But I don't remember. I think that's what it was.
yeah, I understand that. You're marking out the standard deviations of the advanced breaker. I understand that. I get it then. Shoot, everything you did proper. The only thing I guess I want you to improve on is doing this, the premium discount, down here when we're retracing. Because that's what caught me off today, especially. But overall, a little bit more lower time frame analysis and higher time frame narrative, and then you should be set. Today was really good. I want to see your performance after your election, and then that's where we can start really getting into it. But I'm still expecting the homework to be completed. I don't really have much else to say. Today was kind of straightforward. You did very good. Just use more premium discounts. Look on the lower time frame a little bit more. But for what you were doing, if you want to find a reason to get into the trade, it was proper. You were calling out, I want to see a reversal up here. We have S&T. Everything looked good. So at that point, that's where you'd scale down and start looking for shorts. Or up here, you're expecting higher. You want to start looking for longs. You got that done. You got that down.
Mm.
That's the narrative part. Man, I gotta get some sleep. Okay, I think we're done. Are we good?
Yep, we good.
Perfect.